Hello everyone, my name is Eric Springman. I'm the local Leggett Immobilier agent in the Languedoc-Roussillon region in the south of France. And today I've got the pleasure in presenting you this beautiful domain called La Défriche, which is in the heart of the Hérault region. Now, before we enter into this beautiful house, which is called La Bergerie, let me talk to you a bit about where we are exactly located. We are about 40 minutes drive to the center of Montpellier. The beaches on the Mediterranean Sea are also about 40 minutes drive away. And for all your shopping, you have a really good town nearby, which is about a 10-minute drive from here. And every Saturday morning they've got a beautiful fresh market where you can buy all the local produce. Let's have a look inside. So we are now in this beautiful large hallway which has a double height ceiling, a beautiful entrance door with a cloakroom, and on this level, which is the ground floor, you will have to my right, you have a large kitchen diner which has a beautiful vaulted ceiling, and behind this kitchen diner you have another beautiful living area. Both the kitchen diner and the living area have French doors leading onto the terraces. And then on this side, you have an office, as it says on the door, bureau. And in that office, you have also a shower room, so it can be used as well as an occasional bedroom, or for people who have difficulty with stairs, this would be ideal. Let's have a look upstairs now. This beautiful staircase, wooden staircase, leads up to the first floor. Now, as you can appreciate, this beautiful large staircase is perfectly for showing off all your pieces of art. If you've got some big paintings, this would be the perfect place to exhibit them. And this beautiful staircase area goes all the way around the hallway, leading into the master bedroom. So still on the first floor, you will have this beautiful living area, which to one side, which is west facing, you can watch on your own terrace a beautiful sunset here. And on the other side, you've got double French doors onto a beautiful patio area. And again, leading from this area, you've got also a small kitchen area, so you don't need to go downstairs every time to the larger kitchen. And then on the other side, you've got 3 good-sized double bedrooms. And you've got also a beautiful bathroom, which these 3 bedrooms share. We are now in this beautiful garden, which is actually quite flat on this part of the garden. Easy to maintain. You've got a couple of terraces. One is covered and the other one isn't covered. And then, as you can see, the vegetation around here is beautiful, typical of this region. And this is the perfect spot to take great advantage of the 300 days of sunshine you get in this region. So here we have the beautiful pool, again beautiful scenery all the way around. It is a perfect size pool, easy to maintain. After this stunning visit of this property in a large domain surrounded by beautiful countryside, I'm sure you agree, that this property is worth visiting. And if you want to find out more about the region or the properties or visit it, you find further details like the link below this video. And I'm happy to advise you on further details on the commune and the surrounding area. And hopefully see you soon. À bientôt.